Remove the keeper plate and bolt assembly. In this video, I have already done so. Then you will rotate the bar and flip it backwards onto a soft cloth or towel. Be careful not to pull the wire out of the roof. When a Reliant leaves the factory, there is 10 inches from the bottom of the light bar to a tie wrap that is pre-placed on the cable assembly. This is a predetermined location allowing enough slack for the bar to be properly rotated upside down. It is at the installer's discretion to add a piece of heat shrink to help dress the wiring. The light bar is assembled so the top domes are held in from the bottom with Torx head screws. There are 8 on each side that have to be removed in order to remove the top dome. Take a marker and mark the location of the foot, as this needs to be loosened as well. Loosen the foot, but do not completely remove it. You will need to slide it inward to access the outer 2 screws. Remove the Torx head screws. It is easier to work on one side at a time. Make sure you push the foot inward to access the 2 outer screws. At this time, you may rotate the light bar carefully back onto the roof of the vehicle and remove the top dome, exposing the 2 boards. You can pick up the rock boards. They're held in with a quick disconnect connector on each end. The inner passenger side has the main Cat 5 connection that needs to be removed, and power and ground, and the feed to the driver's side. Remove the reflector assembly and use a 1/4-inch nut driver to remove the screws. Before removing these screws, be sure power is removed from the light bar. Now reinstall the inner rock board, starting with its electrical connections, being certain to take note which one is power and which one is ground. Use a 1/4-inch nut driver to reinstall the screws. Reconnect the Cat 5 cable. Now you will reinstall the reflector assembly into the bottom tray, and you will set the rock board on the locating pins. Reinstall the end rock board by simply connecting the board-to-board connector. The reflector assembly has locating pins that pass through the rock boards. Be certain these pins align. Reinstall the top dome, being certain a good seal is achieved. Rotate the light bar backwards. You will now reinstall the Torx head screws that hold the light bar domes to the extrusion. Reset the foot to the original location previously marked and tighten to the extrusion. You may now rotate the light bar back to its original position on the roof of the vehicle. And servicing is complete. Be certain to reinstall the hook kit and the bolt and tighten to the specified torque mentioned in our manuals.